Once again, welcome to this channel. Today you can watch another interesting video, that is super blue blood moon. This is a rare phenomena in the solar system and it is visible in India within a time interval of 36 years. Before going to our heading, that is super blue blood moon, we should understand each term separately. So first discuss what is blue moon. That is, when there are two full moons within a month, then the second full moon is called blue moon. And the interval between two full moons is approximately 29.53 days. And the same is applied for two new moons also, and it is also called monthly blue moon. And it appeared on March 31, 2018 and October 31, 2020. And this is the picture of our blue moon. That is, if two full moons appeared in the same English month, then only the second full moon is called blue moon. If the first full moon is in the first or second day of the month itself, then only we can watch the second full moon in the same month itself. This is a rare phenomena and it was on March 31, 2018 and October 31, 2020. And this is our blue moon. Next is the second term is what is blood moon. Before going to describe this blood moon, we have to understand or recollect the idea that is what is lunar eclipse. That is, the moon is not a luminous object, that is, it cannot shine by its own light. It shines just because of the light from the sun reflected by the moon's surface itself. And a lunar eclipse is nothing but it occurs when the earth, sun and the moon are perfectly aligned with the earth in the middle. When all the three are in the same line, the earth blocks light from the sun to reach the moon's surface. So it cannot be visible at that time. That is, the light from the sun when reach the moon's surface and it reflected back, then only we can see the moon. The moon is shining. When the earth comes in between the sun and the moon, the light from the sun is blocked by the earth and it cannot reach the moon's surface. And in that case, we cannot watch the moon. And it is known as lunar eclipse. That is, when the earth's shadow blocks the sunlight from reflecting off the moon, resulting in partial or total eclipse. And the earth's shadow is known as umbra and the total eclipse is dramatic. It is not happened any case. This occurs when the three moon, sun and earth are perfectly aligned. In partial eclipse, some light from the sun passes through the earth atmosphere and bends towards the moon, and while other colors in the light spectrum are blocked and scattered by the atmosphere, and the moon may turn red or coppery, and people called it blood moon. That is, the partial eclipse is always happens. That is, when the sun's light reaches the atmosphere, it bends towards, that is, the outermost layer of the light spectrum is red in color and it is bent towards the moon's surface. If the earth come in between the sun and moon, then also the red light of the spectrum is bent towards the moon's surface. So in the case of partial eclipse, the moon is visible by this red light like a red or coppery color, and the people call it as blood moon. It is not a scientific term. It is the generally name given by the people itself. That is, the theory is shown here. That is, when the light from the sun is blocked by our earth. The earth is shown here as blue yellow shade, and it is blocked by the earth. It is scattered in these directions, and it is from the atmosphere itself. It is some part, that is the red part of the light spectrum is bent towards the moon's surface, and the moon is visible in as a red or coppery in color, and this is known as our partial eclipse. And the moon, this small circles are the different positions of the moon in its own orbit. And when the moon is in this time, that is just behind the earth itself, that is in between the moon and sun, the earth stands, then this partial eclipse occurs and this coppery shade appears, and this is known as blood moon. Third term, that is what is supermoon. That is, the supermoon is a phenomenon. Before going to this, we have to remember that is the moon's orbit around the earth is elliptical. That is, in an elliptical orbit, the moon is revolving around our earth itself. And just assume the three-dimensional view of this elliptical orbit, then only this theory is true. This is just a drawing, and the point when the moon is closest to the earth, it is called perigee, and this is the point. This is the point at which the moon is closest to our earth, and this is known as perigee. And when the moon is farthest from our earth, it is known as apogee. And when the full moon occurs at the perigee, that is the closest position, when full moon occurs, this is known as supermoon, and it is a rarest event. And for that, the moon should be the closest to the earth, that is in the perigee, and it should be the full moon itself. And at this point, the moon is observed to be 30% brighter and 14% larger. And this is occurs because the moon is closest to our earth, so it is visible as in its larger size and at the same time brighter shining. And this is the reason for that, because it is closest to our earth. And but we cannot see the difference with our naked eye. This is the picture of this supermoon. That is, its size is just half is shown here. Its size is increased by 14%, and it is more brighter than the regular case. And now we can go to our heading, that is super blue blood moon. What is that? From the above explanation, we may have understand how rare it is to have a condition that favor the occurrence of super blue blood moon. This is the picture of our super blue blood moon, and that is the blue moon, and at the same time supermoon and the lunar eclipse, that is the blood moon, occurs at the same time, and the moon appears like this. And for India, the three events coincide after a gap of 36 years. And in India, it was occurring on December 13, 1982, and in US, it is on March 31, 1868. In January 31, 2018, it again happened, and there was a rare celestial spectacle called super blue blood moon occurred, and was a celestial treat for all the sky watchers. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും നിങ്ങൾ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം, നിങ്ങളെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സുമായിട്ട് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എപ്പോഴെങ്കിലും ഒരു കോമ്പറ്റേറ്റീവ് എക്സാമിനേഷനൊക്കെ വരുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്കിത് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആയിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്. താങ്ക് യു.